open box this electric food chopper made by Little Raccoon. Little Raccoon is the major small kitchen appliance manufacturer in China. You can buy this at the best shop in the city of San Gabriel. These are the parts of the electric food chopper: main body, installation diagram, user manual, non-slip, cup pad, cup cover, blade, glass container. Wash the cup, the cover, and the blade before use it. First, take out the cover of the blade. Be careful, the blade is very sharp. Let's put the parts together. First, this non-slip cover pad goes on top. Make sure it's secure, and the blade, the cover, and the main body. I use electric food chopper to ground the chicken. This is the chicken side. Before putting into the cup, remove the skin, the bone, and the tendon, and cut into small pieces like this. Don't put the meat over this maximum line. Let's put the chicken into the cup. The 30 seconds of high-speed grounding. This ground chicken is good for meatball and burger. Use air fryer to make chicken tofu burger. Here are the ingredients: ground chicken, tofu, green onion, egg, Italian style bread crumbs. In this cup we have ground chicken, tofu, green onion, egg, Italian style bread crumbs. Let's make chicken tofu burger. Let's try this air-fried chicken tofu burger paired with ketchup. The chicken is tender and juicy. Tofu is soft. It's very good savory taste. Excellent chicken burger. I use this electric food chopper to grind the pork. This pork, I got it from Aldi. This is boneless pork butt roast. Before putting into this cup, I'll cut into pieces. Cut the boneless pork into small pieces and put into this cup. Do not over this maximum. Let's blend it. Let's blend it. 30 seconds of blending. The meat look like this. If you want to be more fine grounding, you do again, otherwise this should be fine. Instant pot to make pot and pot meals. Here are the ingredients. The bottom meal, soak overnight, black bean and brown rice. The top meal, steam, ground pork with bell pepper. Here are the ingredients. Ground pork, bell pepper, egg, salt, garlic powder, black pepper. In the Instant Pot, put black bean and brown rice at the bottom and put rack on top of it and water. In this cup, we have ground pork and bell pepper cut into pieces. And the seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic powder. Let's blend it. Let's blend it. This container will blended ground pork and bell pepper. On top, there's an egg. Put into Instant Pot. Let's try this steamed ground pork with bell pepper and egg. The pork is tender and juicy. It's well seasoned. Excellent savory taste. Let's try this brown rice with black bean paired with mayonnaise. The brown rice and black bean, they are soft and tender. Paired with mayonnaise, that's an excellent meal. Instant Pot to make pot-in-pot meals. Here are the ingredients. The top meal, chicken and kimchi dumpling. We'll steam it. At the bottom meal is the cupcake. Here's the ingredients. We got pancake mix, egg, milk, instant black tea powder. Cup, we have milk, egg, pancake mix, instant black tea powder. We'll blend them well. Blend them well. This mold, first put oil in there so the cupcake will not stick to the mold. Put walnut in there. Put the black tea cupcake mix into the mold. Don't put it to the full, otherwise it will explode. In the Instant Pot, put water in there and put the rack in there. Now put the bottom meal, the cupcake in there. And then put the top meal, steamed dumpling. Try this steamed chicken kimchi dumpling. It has a lot of fillings in there. It's a little bit spicy. It's the excellent kimchi dumpling. Try this walnut black tea cupcake. It is soft and moist. It has very rich black tea flavor. It's not so sweet. It's an excellent black tea cupcake.
The Little Raccoon Food Chopper is made in China and often listed as a multipurpose electric meat grinder or glass food processor. The Little Raccoon Food Chopper is a popular, budget-friendly kitchen appliance designed for chopping vegetables, mincing meats, and blending sauces. This standard model's QSJ B03H2 comes with typically feature power, 300W motor unit, capacity, 2 liters, speeds, 2-speed pulse control, low for soft ingredients like eggs or vegetables, high for tough ingredients like meat, blades, 4 sharp, multi-layered stainless steel blades, and a heavy-duty glass bowl. Here are my comments after using Little Raccoon Food Chopper. Pros. The Little Raccoon Food Chopper is great for small families. It is easy to clean, can ground meat in a short time, and the glass bowl leaves no lingering odors after washing. Cons. Before grounding meat, users have to remove skins, bones, and tendons, then cut meat into big cubes. The lid design needs improving. If materials fill over maximum line, it is hard to clean the lid since the lid is not completed closed. Dear friends, I love unboxing and reviewing products from the LA area. Check out my channel playlist, Alan's Workshop, to see them all. Thanks for watching my video. I'd love your encouragement and suggestions to help improve my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, write your comments, share my videos, and follow my IG and Facebook accounts. Please shop the items via my links to support the channel. I appreciate your support.